In this video, I'll guide you through how to reset your Moneygram password. If you found yourself locked out or simply want to secure your account with a new password, you're in the right place. Let's get started on getting you back into your account safely and efficiently. First, begin by navigating to the Moneygram login screen. You can access this either through the Moneygram app on your mobile device or by visiting their official website on a desktop browser. Once you're on the login page, you'll notice the usual fields for entering your email and password. Right below these fields, you should see an option that says Forgot Password. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Moneygram account. It is important to use the exact email you registered with, as this is how Moneygram will verify your identity. After inputting your email, keep an eye on your inbox. Moneygram will send you a one-time security code, which is an essential step in confirming your request to reset the password. Once you receive the email with the security code, enter it into the designated field on the Moneygram website or app. This code is crucial for proceeding as it acts as a verification step to ensure the security of your account. After entering the code, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. Remember, using a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols can help keep your account secure. Sometimes you may already be logged in and just want to update your password for added security. In this case, you can simply head over to the View Profile Info section within your account. Look for the edit icon, which should allow you to make changes to your profile details. From there, you'll have the option to update your password directly. Make sure to save the changes before exiting, ensuring your new password is set. And that's it. Now that's how to reset your Moneygram password. Whether you're resetting it because you forgot or just updating it for security reasons, these steps will help you manage your login credentials with ease. Always remember to keep your password secure and update it regularly to protect your account from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.